Hello, my little artists. Today, we're going to draw a super cute, happy fox together. It has a big smile and sleepy, closed eyes. Isn't that adorable? Make sure you have your paper, pencil, eraser, and colors ready. Sit nice and comfy, and let's start our fun drawing adventure. First, let's draw some fluffy fur on top of the fox's head. Make a small, soft, wavy shape, like a tiny cloud or a little bump. Take your time and make it nice and bright. This will make our fox look extra fluffy and cute. Now, let's draw the ears. Start with the right ear. Draw a tall, pointy triangle shape going up from the head. Then, inside the ear, draw a smaller triangle. Great! Now let's draw the left ear the same way on the other side. Try to make both ears look similar, like twins. Next, let's draw the outline of the fox's face. Starting from one ear, draw a smooth, curved line going down. Then do the same on the other side. Connect the lines at the bottom to make a soft, rounded face. Nice and gentle, like a fluffy pillow. Now it's time to draw the eyes. Our fox is very happy, so its eyes are closed. Let's draw a curved line for the right eye, like a rainbow or a smile. Then draw the left eye the same way. Wonderful! Your fox is already looking so cheerful. Let's add the eyebrows next. Draw a small curved line above each eye, one on the left and one on the right. These tiny lines make the fox look even more happy and friendly. Now, let's draw the nose. In the middle of the face, draw a small heart shape. Isn't that cute? Take your time to make it nice and neat. Next, draw the smiling mouth. From the bottom of the nose, draw a little curved line going down, then split it into a soft W shape for the smile. You can even add a tiny tongue inside to make it extra adorable. Great job so far! Now let's draw the shoulder. From one side under the face, draw a curved line going down. This will start the fox's body. Now let's draw the back of the fox. From the other side, draw a curved line going down and around. Keep it nice and round as you move toward where the tail will be. Time to draw the tail. Make a big fluffy tail that curls around the body. At the end of the tail, draw a zigzag shape to show the fluffy tip. Make it nice and soft and bushy. Wow! Look at your fox! You did such an amazing job drawing. Now it's time to bring it to life with colors. First, let's paint the nose and the mouth in pink. Use a bright, happy pink color. Be careful and stay inside the lines. Next, paint the front part of the face in a soft beige color. This is the lighter part of the fox's face. Color gently and evenly. Finally, paint the body in a warm orange color. Color the ears, back, and tail in orange. Take your time and make it nice and bright. And you're all done. Look at your beautiful, smiling fox. It's so cute and fluffy. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing, keep drawing, and most of all, keep having fun.
If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe for more happy drawings. Bye-bye, little artists. See you next time.